Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the end condenser method and short transmission line ABCD parameters can be calculated. In this class, we are going to discuss about the ABCD parameters calculation for the nominal T method and nominal pi method. Okay, in the medium transmission lines. In this method, the whole line to neutral capacitance is assumed to be concentrated at the middle point of the line and half of the resistance and reactance are lumped on either side. Here is the shown in the figure. Okay. Here the resistance and inductance parameters are the half of the values we can take here. So that value is R by 2 and here XL by 2 and same here is also R by 2 and XL by 2. Okay, and in the capacitance, the voltage is VC. Let us assume the voltage is VC, and at the receiving end, the voltage is VR, and for the sending end, the voltage is VS, and for the sending end, the current is IS, and at the receiving end, the current will be IR. Okay, and in the capacitance the current is IC. Okay, so IS equal to IC plus IR. This is the one equation, and from the circuit diagram, write the equation for VC equal to VR at the receiving end voltage VR plus some drop. Adding with VR the drop, we can get the value for VC. Okay, and VC equal to, write the equation VC equal to VR plus drop is nothing but IR into Z. Here is we can take the half of the value, so that value is Z by 2. So IR into Z by 2. VC equal to VR plus drop IR into Z by 2. Okay, and Vs equal to, in that point Vc voltage is there. So in the Vc voltage addition with in the transmission line some drop will occur, so that adding with the drop we can get the value for Vs. Okay, so Vs equal to Vc plus Is. In the here in the transmission line the flowing current is Is, so in the drop we can take the current is Is into Z by 2. Okay, so Vs equal to Vc plus Is into Z by 2. Once again I will repeat that. Here Vc equal to Vr plus IR into Z by 2 drop. Okay, and Vs equal to Vc. Here in that point the voltage is Vc. So Vc plus drop is nothing but Is into R Z by 2. So here the flowing current is Is. So Is into Z by 2. Here the flowing current is IR. So IR into Z by 2. Okay. So next, for calculating IC equal to BC by XC. Okay. Now that also can be rewrite as BC into Y. Okay. Y equal to J omega C is nothing but 1 by X equal to Y. So can substitute that Y value here. So why? Because in that all parameters are impedance admittance format. Okay, and IC equal to VC by IC is nothing but in the capacitance the flowing current is IC. IC equal to VC by XC. So VC by XC is nothing but 1 by omega C. So at angle 90. So Z VC omega C and VC Y is nothing but omega C. So we know that equation is Is equal to IR plus IC. Is, here in the branch the flowing current is Is. Is equal to IR plus IC. Okay. So Is equal to IR plus IC. Okay. And Vs, we know that equation Vs equal to Vc plus Is into Z by 2. We know that Is value is IR plus IC. substitute in that is value in the equation of Vs. Okay, in these methods we can find out only the Vs value and is value in terms of Vr and Ir. This all procedure can done. Why? Because Vs value can find out in terms of Vr and Ir, and also is value we can find out by using, sorry, is value we can find out in terms of Vr and Ir, only Vr and Ir. Okay, uh, that we can get that value, this derivation can be done. Okay, so Vs equal to Vc plus, Vs equal to Vc plus Is. In place of Is we can substitute the value Ir plus Ic. Okay, Ir plus Ic into Z by 2. Okay, so IR plus IC into Z by 2. So VC plus IR plus, we know that value IC. IC is nothing but VC into Y. Okay, substitute here. In place of IC, VC into Y, substitute into Z by 2. So equal to VC, can multiply here with Z by 2. Okay. Vs equal to, we know that formula is nothing but Vc plus IR into Z by 2. Okay, Vs equal to, sorry, here Vs equal to Vc plus Is into Z by 2. So Vc plus Is, in place of Is we know that value Is equal to IR plus IC into Z by 2. Okay, so we know that Vc value. So Vc value is Vc equal to, from the circuit diagram, Vc equal to Vr plus, see here, Vc equal to Vr plus, here the flowing current is IR, IR into Z by 2. Okay. Vc equal to Vr plus IR into Z by 2. Okay, so substitute the Vc value here. So Vr plus IR into Z by 2 plus, multiply Z by 2. Okay, so IR into Z by 2 plus IC into Z by 2. We know the IC value is, in terms of only IR, VR, we can get that value. So we know that IC value, we calculate IC value. See here, IC value, we can calculate that value VC, IC equal to VC by IC, that value is VC into Y. So we know that IC value is VC into Y. Okay. So right here VR plus IR into Z by 2 plus IR into Z by 2 plus IC value VC into Y into Z by 2. So here the two terms are same. So adding these two terms, 2 into IR into Z by 2. So 2 getting cancelled, and here only IR into Z is there. So VR plus IR IR into Z plus VC value. We know that VC value is VR plus IR into Z by 2. VR plus IR into Z by 2. Here is the VC value. VC value we can substitute here, VR plus IR into Z by 2 into here IC into Z by 2. Okay. So here Y Z by 2. Okay. And next, we know that VR plus IR into Z, VR plus IR into Z plus VR into YZ by 2 plus VR into YZ by 2. Okay. VR into YZ by 2 plus IR into YZ square by 4. Okay. Plus IR into YZ square by 4. Okay. So in these two terms VR is common, in these two terms IR is common. So this equation equals to Vs. Okay. So common VR in these two terms we can get 1 plus Zy by 2. Okay. Plus IR into Z plus YZ square by 4. This is the IR product value. Vs equal to 1 plus Zy into VR plus IR into Z plus 1 plus YZ square by 4. This equation compares Okay, this is Vs, and also we can find out the Is value also. Okay, and similar manner Is equal to, we know that equation IR plus IC. Okay, so IR in terms of IR, okay, in the same place here, plus IC. In place of IC, we can substitute the value IC equal to VC into Y. So IC equal to VC into Y. Okay, so IR plus, in place of VC, we know that in place of VC equal to VR plus IR into Z by 2. VC equal to VR plus IR into Z by 2 into Y. Okay, in place of VC, we can write VR plus IR into Z by 2. So, IR plus Y multiplied, so we can get VR into Y plus IR into ZY by 2. Okay, so in the two terms IR is common here. So common with these two terms, IR is 1 plus, here is the IR is common, then 1 is remaining here, 1 plus ZY by 2, ZY by 2 plus VR term, VR into Y. Okay, this is the Is value in terms of VR and IR. Then compare these equations with the two-port network equations, Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR, and Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. We know the values of A, B, C, D. Okay, see here once again. See here, this is the derivation for the Vs. In the Vs, Is value placed here and also Vc value substitute here and multiplied these two equations. We can get that Vs value equal to 1 plus Yz by 2 into Vr plus Z plus Yz square by 4 into IR. Vs value in terms of Vr and IR. Okay. And similarly, Is equal to IR plus Vc into Y. So IR plus IC, in place of IC we can substitute VC into Y. So IR plus VR plus IR into Z by 2, in place of VC we can substitute the value VR plus IR into Z by 2, and then Is equal to VR into Y plus, so common with VR terms and IR terms, only single term is there, VR into Y. So again write here plus IR into 1 plus YZ by 2. Compare the equations with the two-port network equations, Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR and Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Okay, and then we can get the values for A equal to 1 plus Yz by 2, B equal to Z plus Yz squared by 4, C equal to Y and D equal to 1 plus Yz by 2. Compare equations, VR terms and IR terms. We can get that A, B, C, D values. Okay, and then that ABCD parameter satisfied this equation, only two conditions are. Okay, the two conditions are, first one is the A equal to D. A equal to D satisfied here. A is nothing but 1 plus Yz by 2 and same value we can get for D also. D equal to 1 plus Yz by 2. So A equal to D, condition satisfied. And next condition, AD minus BC equal to 1. Okay, that value we can calculate. So A value equal to 1 plus yz by 2. So b value equal to z plus, you know that b value, is z plus yz square by 4. yz square by 4. Okay, and c value y. So d value 1 plus yz by 2. So the condition is AD minus BC value equal to 1. Okay, A value 1 plus yz one plus yz by 2 into 1 plus yz by 2 minus b equal to z plus y z square by 4 into c value y. Okay, so multiply these two terms, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into yz by 2, yz by 2. So yz by 2 into 1, yz by 2 plus yz by 2 into yz by 2. That is nothing but y square z square by 4. So minus y can be multiplied here, then z into y minus y into minus can be multiplied here and y also multiplied. So minus into plus minus z into y minus into plus again minus into y square z square by 4. Y can be multiplied, so we get y square z square by 4. Okay, in this equation, this is same terms with opposite signs can be cancelled here, and here we can get 1 plus yz by 2 plus yz by 2. Adding the same terms, so adding both these two values, 2yz by 2 is nothing but yz. yz minus yz. So these are also same terms with opposite signs. It can be cancelled here. So you can get the value is 1. So that A, B, C, D parameter conditions can be satisfied here. The first condition is A equal to D. This can be satisfied. And the second condition is and the second condition is AD minus BC equal to 1. This condition also satisfied here. So both conditions are satisfied. So in the medium transmission lines, for the medium transmission lines, the ABCD parameters calculation is done. Okay. Okay, this is the ABCD parameters calculations. Okay, once again I will repeat that. For the nominal T method, the resistance and inductance values, we can take the half of the values. In that middle point, the capacitor can be connected. So this type of connection is called the nominal T method. In this method, we can calculate the ABCD parameters. That once again I will tell that ABCD parameters are the complex numbers. In the previously, we can calculate in the complex method. In that manner, we can calculate for the easy method by using the ABCD parameters. So here VSC is the sending end voltage and IS is the sending end current and IC is the capacitive current, nothing but charging current, and IR is the receiving end current and VR is the receiving end voltage. Okay, VC equal to, we'll derive the expression for VC equal to VR plus drop is nothing but IR into Z by 2 and Vs equal to Vc plus drop is nothing but Is into Z by 2. So by using these two equations, we can derive the expressions, and also for charging current IC equal to Vc by Xc. So that Xc value is nothing but we can write as 1 by Xc equal to Y. So that value directly we can write in place of 1 by Xc. So IC equal to Vc into Y. We know the current expression Is equal to IR plus IC. In that expression, we can substitute for the value of Vs. In place of Vs, Vc value and Is value we can substitute here. Okay. Firstly, we can substitute Is value and also Vc value or substitute, no problem at all. Derive the expression in your books. Okay. And Vc plus IR plus Vc into Y into Z by 2. In place of IC, we can substitute the value of VIC, that is nothing but Vc into Y. And substitute, and then common with these two terms of Vc common here, and Vc value also substitute in this equation, and we get the Vs value in terms of VR and IR. Okay. And also similarly we can calculate IR value, Is value in terms of VR and IR. Okay. In that Is equal to IR plus Vc into Y. We know that IR plus Ic, in place of Ic we can substitute Vc into Y. So IR plus, in place of Vc we can again substitute the equation VR plus IR into Z by 2 into Y multiplied with, and common these terms with VR and IR. VR term is only one there, so VR into Y plus IR into 1. Here 1 is there, 1 plus YZ by 2. Okay. Compare these two equations, Vs and Is. These two equations compare with the normal equations, nothing but two-port equations is nothing but Vs equal to A into VR plus B into IR and Is equal to C into VR plus D into IR. Then only we can know that the values of ABCD parameter values, ABCD constants, these are the complex numbers, and that A equal to, we can get 1 plus Y into Z by 2, B equal to Z into YZ square by 4, C equal to Y, and D equal to 1 plus YZ by 2. Okay, in the by using ABCD parameters, we can satisfy the two conditions. That conditions are A equal to D and AD minus BC equal to 1. So first condition satisfied, we are saying A value is 1 plus YZ by 2 and 1 plus YZ by 2, A equal to D. So it's satisfied. And the second condition AD minus BC, we can also derive here AD minus BC. We can we can subtract the AD value with the minus BC and calculation, so we can get that value 1. So finally we calculate AD minus BC equal to also 1. The two conditions are satisfied, so that the ABCD parameter calculations are done in the nominal T method. Okay. In the next class, discuss the topic is the nominal pi method. Okay, for the ABCD calculations.